Okay. Okay, after you finish your homework, please make sure you copy your answers here and then submit them on Blackboard, on the discussion board. Okay, so after you submit them here, okay, you click on here and then create a thread, and you know the rest. If you need to know the right answers, one day after your lesson, for example, if your lesson is on Tuesday, on Wednesday morning, you can find the answers under here. You click under course content. You click on course content, you scroll down, you will find week 13, day 2, all the documents with one document like this, answer key. You will have all the correct answers. You can check your answers. Not on the same day, the following day. Why I'm doing this? Because I need all students to do the homework. Okay? Thank you. Now let's move on to part 2 of today's lesson. Let's go to exercise 6. Okay? Complete the sentences with to, enough, or not enough, and an adjective from the box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 adjectives: busy, difficult, loud, and rich. Okay? You need to use to, or enough, or not enough, plus adjective. Which adjectives? Here. These exam number 1, number A. These exam questions are, what do you say? Do you say are too busy, or too difficult, or too loud, or too rich, or enough or not enough? You know, you check. These exam questions are, I cannot answer any of them. Please try to do that by yourself. Take 5 minutes and check your answers on the PowerPoint. Please check after, not before. Take 5 minutes. Stop the recording, okay? 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes have passed. And now let's move on to the last part of our today's presentation, which is lesson, which is listening for details. In here, complete the sentences. Where do the conversations take place? Where do they take place means where is the location? Where is this happening? Is it in a restaurant? Is it in a hotel? Is it at school? Is it on the street? Is it on a bus station, a train station, airport? Just listen. You need to write the location here, and you need to fill in the gaps with the missing word. Okay? Always before you listen, try to read the whole sentence, understand the meaning, and try to guess what comes in the blank. Try to guess. For example, there are towels in our room. You only gave us one. Okay? Read them first. Take a minute. Try to understand the meaning. Then I will play the audio track. Okay? Take a minute. Okay, now I will play the audio file twice. You listen and then fill in the blanks. Put the missing word here and the location. Where is this happening?
A. There aren't enough towels in our room. You only gave us one.
I'm sorry. I'll bring you another one.
B. There are too many people here. I can't see any of the paintings. Yes, there should be a limit on the number of people. C. I'm trying to read, but those people are making too much noise.
Maybe you should say something.
D. You didn't give me enough change. You only gave me £2. I'm sorry. Here's the other £1.
Okay, I'll play this one more time.
A. There aren't enough towels in our room. You only gave us one.
I'm sorry. I'll bring you another one.
B. There are too many people here. I can't see any of the paintings. Yes, there should be a limit on the number of people. C. I'm trying to read, but those people are making too much noise.
Maybe you should say something.
D. You didn't give me enough change. You only gave me £2. I'm sorry. Here's the other £1.
Okay, now check your answers with the answer key in the PowerPoint just to see if you got them right or wrong. Slide number 3. Okay, check your answers. Okay, I think this will bring us to the end of today's lesson. Before I go, I need you to know that we have presentations due after around 10 days. Not next week, the following week. And I need you to remember that next week, what do we have? Next week, we have, remember, day 2 next week, we have online task 2. For what? For listening and writing. Okay, this is next week. Okay, and day 3, what do we have? Online task 2. Sorry, online task 2 for grammar, vocabulary, and reading. Okay, so these little tasks exactly the same what we did last week. Okay, I need you to be ready from now. So if you need more details about the time, check your announcement. Okay, you go to announcement, you go down and you look at this. Okay, for every section. This is for section 1. Okay, maybe section 126 have a different time, section 128 have a different time. Okay, this is week 14, April 19. Okay, listening and writing, 2 marks each, and then vocabulary, grammar, and reading. Week 15, starting April 26 to 30, we'll have final presentation and listening 3. Okay, this is gonna be the last week of the whole semester. maybe it's going to be in Ramadan, I guess. So so it's not difficult. For presentations, I'll divide you into 2 groups. Okay, presentations will be in week 15. Okay, presentations are in week 15. Okay, I'll divide the class into 2 groups. Day 1, first group. Day 2, we'll have the second group. Okay, you need to prepare a PowerPoint about your future career. Okay, and you will give me this PowerPoint present on MS Microsoft Teams. It's like speaking test 1. You present to me, okay? So you have to send me the slides 1 day before, okay? I'll give you more information about the slides this week in the last lesson, okay? I'll explain that one more time. Always, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to text me or on MS Teams during office hours. My office hours are on your course Blackboard, okay? Or send me an email if you like to. All right, thank you very much for your work today, and please do not forget to record your don't forget to record your your homework. Okay, you do it and then submit it on Blackboard. Thank you very much.